Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the bio in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the X app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some posts. From here we have to swipe to the right and then tap on profile, and in profile in the top right corner we have edit profile. If you tap on this, then we get a lot of things that we can set. But here below the name, we have bio. We tap here, write whatever we would want to add to our bio, like this. And then after we are done, we can just go into the top right corner and tap save. And yeah, our bio is updated now. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.